is the 2-row John Deere. And Dad was digging around here on Thursday and found the boxes and the fertilizer boxes, and it's all piled on top of it right there. Yeah. But you're buying a John Deere 2-row planter. Go. You're buying the Ford tractor with the loader, with the backhoe, just the way she wears hair right there. You heard her run, you seen her work. I'll let you down easy. Give me $2,000 to start her. $2,000. $2,000.
How's you got?
$1,000, $1,500. $1,000, $1,500. $1,000, $1,500. $1,100 I'll take. $1,000, $1,100.
Yep.
11, 12. 12 there. 13 there. 14 there. 15 there. 16 there. 1,700. 1,600, what do you get 1,700? 16, 1,700 where?
You seen her work.
16, 1,700, yeah, just go price the backhoe.
For posterity?
Yeah.
I realize this is not going to do production work, but it will get job done.
Beats the heck out of this page.
You did not get me, did you?
1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900.
No.
$2,000,
A
2,100.
little closer and smile.
No.
2,100.
I don't have a good
2,000, 2,100. $2,000, $2,100 where? $2,100 anybody else want in? $2,100 anybody else? 2,000, 2,100. You bought it right there. Number 23, 2,000.
Now, I drove this out here.
And taking adventures on YouTube.
I think the clutch disc is kind of rusted fast in the flywheel. I didn't try to jerk it loose. It's no big deal. It does happen, but the transmission works good, steers good, runs good.
Laying on the ground.
I'm selling it to you right there. You're buying the WD tractor just like you're looking at it. We found an extra drawbar that's going with it. I know it's got one under it, but this is going with it. All right, you're buying the whole outfit. I think it'll be 500 to scope, 500 a month. 500 here, 500 there, 500 where, 500, 300,
Yep.
400, 500, 600, 700, 800. 800 a month.
Yep.
$7, $8, $9, $1,000. $1,100, 11, 12, 1,200 right, 1,200 a month, 1,300 here, 1,400 there, 1,400 right, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 13, 14 right. 13, 1,400. Bids up front, 13, 14. 14, here she goes. 14 a what? I what? He owns her.
Right there.
Right there. $1,300 number. Race car trailer.
I'll say the race car trailer. This is his race car trailer right there. Hooker over right there. It's all set up, ready to go to the racetrack right there.
Yep.
All right, what did you fall right there? Give me 800. Let's go. $800. $800. $800. 200. Let's go. 200. 300. 200. What do you get? 300.
Yep.
300. 300. I hear it.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800. 1,800, right? 17, 1,800. 1,700. What do you give 1,800 where? 17, 1,800 right. 17, did you say 18? Sold it right there. $1,700, number 21.
All right, say the hopper bed right there. There you go, right there. All right, you can put chicken feed in this. There you go, right there. $100 scope. 100 a month, 100 right, 100 there. Give me 50. I've got a hopper bed. You can put sawdust, whatever you want to. I use it. Shelled corn, 50. $50 here, 25.
Yeah. Yep.
30, 30, 30, 25, 30.
Got two of them.
40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60 here.
Yep.
70 there, 80 there, 80 right, 70, 80. 80 back there.
Yep.
90, 100, 10, 110, 110.
Yes.
120, 120, 120, 130, 130, 120, 30. 120, 30 here. 120, 30. You bought it. $120 right there.
Number four.
All right.
Right on down the line right there, I'll say the little truck bed that got made up into a trailer right there. What do we got in here? We got an empty this and empty that. We get splitting ball with it.
And extra gloves.
And extra gloves. But you're buying the trailer right there just the way she sits right there. What do you get for right there? $100 bill. 100 for that trailer. 100, 125, let's go. You need something just to haul stuff around the farm, around the house. Park it in the front yard, piss the neighbors off. $25. $10 bill.
Yeah.
$15. 10, 15.
Which way?
10, I got 10 over here. $15. $15. 10, 15. 10, what do you get 15? Where? 10, 15, 15. What do you get 15? Sold her $10 right over here. Number 69.
Right, 10, 15. 15 trailer axles, $15. 10, 12, 15. 10, 12, 50, 15. 17, 50, 20. 22 and a half. 25. 27 and a half. 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 25, 70. You bought them $25.
I'll say the flail mower right there. And I looked and looked and looked, and I finally found the front half of that shaft right there. But you're buying the flail mower right there, 6-footer right there, Ford. What do you get for right there? 200. 200 for a flail mower.
100.
100, 125. 125, 150,
Yep.
175, 175,
Yeah.
200,
Yep.
200, 225, 225,
Yep.
250, 250, 275, 275,
Yep.
300, 300 there, 300 right, 275, 300. 275, but you get 300 right in the flail mower. 275, 300, 275, 300, 300. He bought her $275 right there. His number is
Number 81. Number 81. All right, I'm up to the log splitter. Got an 8-horse Briggs on it. You're looking over on the log splitter right there. Take her home, split some wood. $50. $50, 50, 50, 50. You say it? 75. The log splitter, 75. 50, 60. $60, $60, $60. The 50's right there. 61, 70 here. 80 there, 90 there, 100 here, 90, 100, 90, 100, 90, 100, $100 here, 90, 100. You bought it. $90, 13.
Fire. Come on back this way. We'll sell you the farm machinery back here. There is the 2-row John Deere. And Dad was digging around here on Thursday and found the boxes and the fertilizer boxes, and it's all piled on top of it right there.
Yeah.
But you're buying a John Deere 2-row planter. $200. $100 bill. 2-row John Deere. $100 bill. 100 right. What's she worth to you? 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, 30, 35, 35, 35, 40, $40, 35, 40, 45, $50, 45, 50, the John Deere planter, 45, 50, 45, what do you get 50 worth? 45, 50, 50, what do you get 50? You bought it
25 apiece. Yeah.
19's the
All right,
box.
we got another one here. Well, I got stuff out in there. There. I am going to guess this is probably a Moline. But you let your eyes be your judge right there. But again, you're buying her. There you go right there. $10 bill. 10 right, 10 on the plate. 15, 15, 20, 25, 25, 25, 25. I got 20 here, 25. $25 here. 20, 25 a month. $25 here, 20, 25. You bought it $20 right back here, $20.
Well, down the line right there, say the little Ford right there, the little Ford 2-row right there.
This is a different tune now. You got bird on it and everything.
You're buying the planter right there. All right, what do you get for right there? $75. Yeah. $100. 7,500. 100 on the 2-row. 175, 125, 150, 175, 200, 300, 350. How much? 5, 6, 600, 500, 600, 600 you say her. 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 750, 750, right? 700, 750. You bought it right there, $700 right there. 44 is the buyer.
All right, you're going to buy the Allis right there. It's got a couple of plows right there. Again, looking over right there. Pretty good looking iron on her. Oh, there you go right there, $50. $50, $50, $50, $50, 25, 30,
Yeah.
30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, 90, $90.
One time.
90, 110,
Nope.
110, 110, 110, 110, 110 1, 110 here, 110 1, 110, 24, $100.
Right on down the line right there. I'll say the 2-section spike tooth right there. You're buying the 2-section right there. What do you get for right there? $10 bill. That's 10, 15. Then what do you get 15 where? 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 40, 40, 40 share, 34, 45, $50, 50 right, 45, 50, 45, what do you get 55, 55, 55 you share, 50, 55, 60, 60, 60, 55, 60, 55, what do you get 60 where? 55, 60 right. 55, 60, 60, what do you get 60? E-bolter back here. $55, number 39.
There you go right there. Well, he's got different points right there. Got the Furrow opener there. You're buying that 3-point right there, $10 bill. A 10 right, 10 1, 10 here, 10 there, 10, 15, 15, 15, 15, 20, a 20, 25, a 25 and 30, a 30, 30, 25, 30. 30 here, 25's out here, 31, 31, 31, 25, 30, 35, $40, 45, $50, 50, 50, 45, 50, 50, 50. You bought it, $45, number 29.
Right there, I'll say the little fuel cultivator right there. The little 3-point right there. Got the Danish tines loader right there. What do you get for right there? 25 on that one. A 25, 25. A 25 just there. $10 bill. 15, 10, 15, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30 there, 40 there, 40 right, 40 there, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 40, what do you get 50 where? 40, 50 right, 50, 60, 70, 70 there, $80 there, $90 there, 100 there, 110, 110, 110, 120, 120, 110, 20, 120 where? 110, 120, 20, what do you get 120? You bought her $110 right there. His number's 81, 81.
All right, you buy the 3-point right there, bale mover. You can throw a pallet on it, whatever you want right there, 25. 25, 25, 25, 25, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 25, 35, 35, 40, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, $45 one.
I could sell them for yours.
40, $45 here, 45, you bought it, $40.
The boxes on that first one.
Right there.
Yeah.
$20, 20, 20, go back here, 20 give me 10. $10 back here, 10 on the yard roller. $10 back here, $10 back here, 10 I'll give me 5.
Come on, roll down the
Anybody
lane.
roll in your yard. $1 bill.
Yeah.
$2 here, 1, 2. $2 back here, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, $5 back here, you say $5 back here, $6, $6, $6, $7, $8, $8, $7, $8 back here, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8's out, 1, 9.
We're out back
$9
here.
back here, you say 10, 10, 9, $10 back here, you say $10 back here, 9, $10, $10 back here, 10, you're weighing $9, Stephen.
44. There you go, you're buying right there. You buy a little bush hog, PTO shaft setup, you take her home, oil her up, put her to work. There you go, $50. $50, $50, $50 here, 25, 25, 30, 30 here, 30, 30. I got 25 back, 30 I want.
Yep.
40 I'll take, 50 I'll take.
Yep.
$50, 50 you say it?
Yeah.
60, 70. $70,
Yeah.
$80, $90,
Yeah.
$100, $110, $110, $110, $110. You bought it, $100 right there. Number 56.
Oh, rotary hoe right there, $25. 25 back here, you say 25 the rotary hoe. 25 back here, 25 give me 10. $10 back here, you say $10 back here, you say 5, 7.5, 5, 7.5, 7 back here, you say $5, $7.50. $5, $7.50 back here, you say 7.5, 10, 10, 12.5, 12.5, 15, 17.50, now 20, now 20, now 20, 17.50, 20 back here, 22.5, 22.5, 22.5, 20's out, 1, 2.50. $20, $2.50 back here, you say $20, $2.50, right there, number 39, $20.
I'm up to the little 3-point hitch disc again. You can see Knoch front blades on there. And this is standing tall on iron. You're buying right there, 200, 500, 500, 600. 500, 600, 500, 600, 550 will take, 600 will walk, 600 here, 6 right, 650, 650, 700, 700, 700, 700, 650's out, 7 will walk, 750, you say it, I got 7, 7 1/4 will take, 750, 750, 7 quarters here, 750. 7 quarter 50, 7 quarter 50. You bought her 725, number 29.
Point. Now feel colder right there. $35. 35 packages, 8, 35, 35, 35, get 20. 20, 25, 20, 25, 25 packages, 30, 30, 30, 30 packages, 35, now 40, 45, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100, $110, $110 packages, 8, 10 packages, $110. 110, now 20, 120, 120, 110's over here, 120, 120 packages, 8, 110, $20, 20. I hear 120, right there, $110, right beside me.
All right, find the
56.
grader blade. You're going to sell the blade, and then we're going right down along that bar. You're buying right there, there you go. 3-point hitch blade right there, $50 go. 50, 50,
Excuse me,
50,
I'm not
50,
real good.
25. $25. Come on, grade the driveway. 25, 10, 15, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30, 30, 35, 40, 40 gears, 45, 45, 50, 50, 55, 55, 55.
Which way are you, Stephen?
50. I get 50.
50 over here, 55. Yep.
60 here. I got 55 there now, 60. 55, 60, 60, you bought her 55 right there, $55.